As the sun rises, voices awaken the canopy.
High above, one tree becomes a city in the sky.
Here hang golden baskets, woven with precision.
An Oropendola colony bustles with constant motion.
They bow, they swing, they sing upside down.
For her, the nest is as important as the song.
The male weaves skillfully, the fibers being tied with his beak.
Pendulum City, alive with golden life.
Their gurgling voices thundered through the forest.
Only the strongest nests are chosen for life within. Males fight for space, for song, for survival.
Every display is a gamble, every song a challenge.
Inside, the fragile promise of life.
Mother nurtures, patiently feeding her chicks.
Hungry mouths cry incessantly. A colony alive with care, conflict, and song.
However, danger lurks among the branches. Together, they rise in defiance.
The colony survives another test.
Golden threads that catch the morning light.
Display after display, the ritual repeats.
Females, too, add the final touches within.
A skyscraper of life, woven by countless Oropendola beaks.
Soon, the
A
young will test
skyscraper
the
of
air.
life, woven by countless Oropendola beaks.
First flight of a leap into the unknown. Together, the colony soars in a golden dance. The woven nests shine like treasures. Life tended with delicate care.
From below, a forest chandelier of light.
From above, hunters circle the sky. The colony strikes with fearless unity. Together, they drive danger away.
Golden threads, catching fire of the setting sun.
As the day ends, the colony rests.
Watchful eyes guard through the night.
Through darkness, the woven city holds firm.
stars shine above a colony older than memory.
Within, life sleeps safe in woven cradles.
Peace returns to the canopy city.
The night passes as it has for generations.
Golden wings take to the morning sky.